At SPS, our concrete division is all about quality workmanship. Our experienced crews are extremely versatile, with the ability to complete many different types of projects in a timely, professional manner, and the dedication and willingness to go above and beyond your expectations. We can perform a wide variety of concrete work, including parking lots, floors, sidewalks, approaches, patios, draining flumes, concrete joint sealing, curbing, driveways, decorative stamped concrete, ADA ramps, and so much more. If excavation is necessary on your project, then this will be the first step in our installation process. SPS has experienced operators and state-of-the-art equipment to efficiently and carefully remove the dirt, asphalt, or concrete. Our team is rigorously trained to operate equipment safely and to always be aware of the surroundings on the job site. Once the excavation process is finished, our team begins to level the base material to the proper grade, always keeping water drainage and potential trip hazards in mind. Then the project is carefully measured and laid out according to your needs and specifications. A laser level will be used if necessary for precise installation. Forms are set to ensure the proper shape and grade, and steel reinforcement is installed throughout the area to increase strength and load-bearing capacity. Now it's time to bring in the concrete trucks. We have in place many quality checks to ensure that our concrete mix is top-notch. If the concrete doesn't pass every one of our quality checks, we'll reject the load and send it back. We begin placing the concrete in the prepared area, shoveling and raking as we go. When the truck is emptied, we begin screeding and leveling the material between the forms and grade stakes, constantly checking to ensure a smooth and level surface. Immediately after leveling the material, one of our skilled finishers runs a float over the surface. This is the first step in the finishing process. Another finisher works the edges to form clean, round corners around the perimeter of your project. Because timing is critical during the finishing process, our team must closely monitor the concrete. It takes years of experience to recognize the perfect moment to utilize the correct finishing tool on the surface. An experienced crew is essential to ensure that your project not only looks great when completed, but also endures the elements over time. When the timing is right, our crew will use a different type of float to work the surface once again, making it a little smoother than the previous step. When the entire surface is nearly perfect, we wait again. There's one more step to further smooth the surface. When the concrete is mostly cured but still soft on the surface, our crew begins the meticulous job of hand troweling the entire area. We inspect every square inch of the concrete, carefully removing any small imperfections and ensuring a perfect finish. After this process is complete, it may be beneficial in some cases to apply a slightly rough surface for increased traction and slip resistance. Our crew will lightly drag a special broom over the finished concrete, applying a permanent scratch surface for increased safety during wet or icy conditions. While the concrete is still soft, a special tool is used to install the expansion joints. Laying out the correct joint pattern is critical to the longevity of your investment. It is critical to have the correct spacing and distance from each joint to help control future cracking. After the forms are removed and the edges are backfilled with topsoil, our team will do a final walkthrough to ensure that all debris is picked up, all tools are gathered, and your property is as clean or cleaner than how we found it. At SPS, we take great pride in every task, every job, every day. We are extremely picky about the details of each of our concrete jobs and are devoted to giving you only the very best installations. Our superior workmanship speaks for itself, and hundreds of SPS customers will attest to that. We're more picky than our customers. That's what sets us apart. It's the SPS difference, and that's why you'll want to use us again and again.